How to change search engine in Google Chrome in mobile. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Google Chrome, and as you can see, Google is set to be the search engine, meaning that everything I search for will be given to me in Google search results. So say for example I wanted to change this from Google to Yahoo or to Bing or to any other search engine. What I need to do is I need to click on the three dots at the top right, then go to settings, and from the basics section you can see search engine, so click on it, and here you will find all the search engines that you can choose from. You can set this for example to DuckDuckGo or to Yahoo, etc. I'm going to set this one for Bing, and once you select it you need to go back, and then let's do the same search and see what it gives us. Now as you can see, the results has now been shown to us in Bing, and you can do the same with other search engines. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change the search engine of Google Chrome on your phone. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.